Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about a free certification and training program which is being offered by AWS Amazon Web Service. The name of the program is Machine Learning Basics, which is going to be conducted from January 2024 to 2022 Monday 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. So what is this program is about is like it is a machine learning basics program. So people who are all interested in machine learning but not sure that where you have to start from, so they can attend this. So by joining this session, the AWS expert will be explaining about the basics of machine learning with the real world examples and important concepts and terminologies which all be used by the machine learning. So in this machine learning course, we will be learning what is machine learning, what is the machine learning pipeline, and what are its phases, and what is the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning, and what is reinforcement learning and what is deep learning. So all these will be covered, and this course is intended for the developers, solution architecture, data engineers, or other IT professional interested in building solution with machine learning but who have no prior knowledge of machine learning. So people who doesn't have knowledge of machine learning also can be join this, so they can be get knowledge about this machine learning basics of it. So let us see how to reserve this seat for this virtual class. So first things like you want to select what is the main reason for participating this one. So you can select if you are searching for a job, you can select this, or if you for networking, or if you are training or professional development. So according to your category which matches you, you can select it. So let me select according to my category, that is training and professional development, and you can enter your email ID address. Your name, your phone number, company name, company type, country and region, state, industry, job role, so after entering all the details, just click this register button. So he'll be getting the thank you message saying thank you for registering for machine learning basics, and you should receive a confirmation email shortly. So you can just check your email for it. So here you can see the email which is received for the confirmation for the machine learning basics program. So thank you for registering for machine learning basics. And here you can see the details to join the webinar of it. You can just click this join webinar and you can click it. So people who wanted knowledge on machine learning basics, whoever they may be, students or working professionals or non-IT background, or people who are searching for job, or can be join this session and they can get a knowledge on it and explore your knowledge on this machine learning basics. And this is all about this AWS free machine learning basics program, and thank you all for watching.